hit a powerful smashes and accurate clears, it's all started with the right grip. Let's learn two essential grip, forehand and backhand. Forehand grip is essential for executing shot on your forehand side and those challenging overhead shot. This grip typically involves holding the racket with your hand position as if you're shaking your hand with it. I will demonstrate you the forehand grip. First, the forehand grip. Shake your hands and hold the racket like you're shaking your hand. See the V spot on the top? This grip gives you the most power on your forehand side. It also gives you the good reach for the shot in the front of you. Backhand grip, which is tailored for hitting shot on the backhand side of your body. Typically, this grip involves rotating the racket slightly so that your thumb can press along the wider level of the handle for extra power and control. This thumb placement provides stability and allows for a strong push or a flick action, enabling you to effectively return the shot directly to your backhand. Next, the backhand grip. Turn the racket a little and put your thumb flat on the back. This grip gives you extra power on your backhand side. Without it, your backhand shot will be weak.